स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे.
Sometimes I feel a deep devotion, some other times not so deep. Maybe I have not experienced real true devotion. How can I create and develop devotion to the divine? This is a very nice question. Actually, the deep or not being so deep, all these things are just continuous mood swings which you are having. Understand? Even if you feel once that you are not feeling connected as you felt yesterday, never ever give the name devotion for that emotion. It is just your mood swing. It is just your mood swing. Ramakrishna gives a very beautiful solution. When you feel deep devotion or connection, and when you feel very dry, empty, surrender both moods at the feet of the divine. When you feel the deep devotion, say, I am feeling it, it's a gift from you, please have it. When you have doubt, say, I am feeling it, again, this is your game, please have it. Let the doubt and faith both be surrendered. Then you will see something happening in you, which is trust. Something else happening in you, which is trust. That only can be used for spiritual experience. That only is the solid experience. Neither doubt nor faith, a deep trust. As long as you are depending on some mood swing which is happening in you to take you to the spiritual experience, it can never happen. I have seen many people, some mood which they get after listening to some song, or after listening to some music, or after attending a ritual, they think that is enough to take them to the spiritual life. No. Understand, depend on a right things. Do not depend on vague things. A small story, depending on right things. One guy invited his friend to play cards. Both of them are playing. It became very late night. This guy, the guy who came as a guest, he asked, please tell me what is time? I have to go back. This guy said, no, I don't have watch. The guest said, maybe the watch will be there in your bedroom. Can we see? He said, no, I don't have watch in the bedroom. He said, is there a watch in kitchen? He said, no, no watch in the kitchen. Guest asked, then how do you find time if you want to know about the time? This guy said, wait a moment, I'll show you how I find time. He took his drum and opened the window and started beating. All the neighbors' house windows opened and they started shouting, are you crazy? You are beating that drum at the time of 12 o'clock? Midnight, 12 o'clock, you are beating the drum, are you crazy? He said, now 12 o'clock, you can leave. Understand, but this is not the right method to find time. Do not depend on this kind of methods. It may tell you time sometime, but not all the time. Same way, sometime listening to some music, some same drum beating music, or some reading few stories, whatever emotion comes, do not think that is devotion. Whenever you have the devotion or doubt, surrender both, you will start feeling connected. That feeling connected, that trust, that will never be shaken by any incident happens in your inner space or the outer space. You know for sure this is the life. You know for sure nothing can shake, nothing can move. Start growing that deep trust, that deep feeling connected. That is the truth. That is the devotion. That is the only way to move towards the spiritual experience.
स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे.